Blizzard, more than anything, talks about your inability to travel. We're talking about limited visibilities, less than a quarter of a mile in some instances. There could be periods where we're getting snow for 3 to 6 hours just coming down heavy, and also temperatures in the teens to 20. If we have gusts of the winds over 35 miles an hour, that's also considered a blizzard. Anything that's going to obscure your vision and impede you from traveling smoothly and safely.
It's rare for us, right?
Oh yeah, I think this is the second one since the 80s, and I guess 2 years ago Christmas was the last one I can remember, being here 25 years. So it does not happen often here in Kansas City to have a blizzard.